Hey everybody, I am here today with Jeff Lewis from the Mustard Seed in Fishers, Indiana, and he is joined by his team, and they are going to share a little bit about what the Mustard Seed does here locally for those in need.
Yes, here at the Mustard Seed locally, for those in need, we help out many people in the community, such as veterans, domestic abuse survivors, people that lost everything to tragedy like fires and water damage and everything. So they'll get referred to us, and we try to help people get furniture back to their home.
We're serving 10 families every week. These families have little to nothing. They don't have any furniture. So we're doing our best to just provide that furniture for them. We're gonna provide that furniture that's good enough to be in our own home. Like, I see some of the furniture and I'm jealous because I want that to be in my own house, honestly. Because like you see it, it's like, I'm so happy I'm able to give this because the expression that they see on their face, it's no longer just a shelter over their heads. It's now just a home that they can live in, that they can provide for their family, that they can just strive and be in the atmosphere of just growth.
So as you kind of heard Jeff and Matt talk, it's a really great cause. We will help people to have a bed to sleep in every night and, just the basic things that they need to live a comfortable life. The easiest way to get involved is to donate furniture if you're, moving or, if you're just not interested in that piece anymore, but it's still in good shape. Those go straight into a client or a family's home. We don't sell any of that furniture, so that's going straight to changing someone's life for the better. You can also volunteer. We have volunteers who come in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and usually Thursdays as well. So you can be a part of that team helping to, make packs of dishes and stuff that's going to go out to a family so that they can have their own dishes to eat dinner off of.
Another really great way the Mustard Seed is working for our community is by partnering with Pieces of Hope. And Elizabeth Harris is here to tell us a little bit more about her vision and her goals. So the goal is basically to take the outdated furniture and, use your creativity.
When I came to the Mustard Seed initially, I was overwhelmed by the amount of donations that they do receive. And I wish that I could do it all myself, but I can't. So it created this great opportunity to incorporate the community and say, okay, we need to have some events.
We are hoping to have an event this spring with the Mustard Seed and Pieces of Hope and have a community help day where we will work together to rejuvenate pieces. So keep your eyes peeled for more information on that to come.
For more information about the Mustard Seed, you can go online, check us at www.mustardseedindy.org. You can check anything from gift furniture, donation buttons, how do we operate. Please check us out. Thank you.